Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you Luxgrove Leather Repair review. So, you might be wondering, what is Luxgrove Leather and Furniture Repair salve that you may be hearing online? So, the Luxgrove Leather and Furniture Repair salve is a conditioning and restoration product designed to help revive the appearance of leather furniture, leather accessories, and finished wood surfaces. Now, according to the official website here, it's made with a blend of natural oils and waxes, including hemp seed oil, jojoba oil, and shea butter, beeswax, and vitamin E. Now, the company says the formula is designed to nourish dry surfaces, restore their appearance, and add shine, and provide a proactive layer against everyday wear. It also states that the salve is intended for absorbent leather and finished wood, but should not be used on swad, nubuck, untreated wood, or synthetic materials. So keep that in mind. So using the salve is straightforward. So first wipe the surface clean and make sure it's completely dry. Now apply a small amount of salve to the leather or wood using a soft brush or cloth, working it into the surface with a gentle circular motion. Let it sit for a few minutes so the oils can absorb, then buff the surface with a clean, dry cloth to achieve a smooth finish. Now, the manufacturer also recommends testing the product on a small, hidden area first to ensure compatibility before treating the entire surface. Now, for ongoing maintenance here, the company suggests reapplying the salve every 2 to 3 months, depending on how frequently the item is used. Now, official website currently offers a 4-ounce jar at around like $29 and 8-ounce jar for $39. Orders include free shipping, a 30-day money-back guarantee, and a 365-day product warranty. Shipping is estimated to take around 5 to 12 business days, depending on your location. And that's essentially how Luxgrove Leather Repair salve actually works. Now, it's actually designed to condition and moisturize leather and finish wood using natural oils and waxes while helping restore their appearance and adding proactive finish as part of regular maintenance. Now, if you're interested in this product, doing your own research is always recommended. Looking at reviews and information from sources outside the official website can help you make a more informed decision and ensure you're getting the best value for your money here. And this applies for any products that you are going to buy online. But that's about it. So for this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.